So I'm changing my son's sending unit in his 2007 Silverado. Starting hard, and it was because the return line was leaking and it was losing pressure. So I took the gas tank off and found out that one strap was completely rotted off, and the other one I'm just going to replace it if it does this. And he got a bunch of stainless steel from work, so I use it for various things. So I'm going to make some stainless steel straps for him for his truck. So there we go. We got some stainless steel gas tank straps for his truck. I just made a template out of the old ones. So here we are under Blacky, and we noticed the frame was a little soft when I jacked up right here on this mount for the cab. So we're gonna have to empty out the frame because it's probably got a whole bunch of crap inside it, because it's like a crack right there. Let's see, where's my finger? Oh, there it is. Crack right there. And then it's opened up right here. So basically, if you're looking at it, it's squashed in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut this out here with a mini grinder and make a plate that's got a round edge on it right here, a round edge there, and then put a band on the bottom, and then I'm going to beat on this side here and see how strong it is. And if it's weak, I'm going to have to put a piece in between the frame rail here where the mount is, in between those 2 points right there. And then maybe another plate right in here, and then attach it onto this band that I put on the bottom edge. And I'm going to make it all out of stainless steel. So there's all the pieces of stainless steel that I got to cut for the frame, to repair the frame before I put the gas tank back on. So I'm sure everybody knows how to use a mini grinder to cut metal with a cut-off wheel. So there's all my patches. Got them all cut out for the Blacky's frame. So I just want to roll the edge of the patch so that it fits the frame better. So here we go. So there, that looks good. It's got some definition to it on the edge. And then that's going to fit. It's going to fit like that. That's the bottom of the frame, and then this is the side of the frame. I'm just going to weld this together, and then I'll just clamp that onto the frame and weld it after I scribe where it sits and grind off the paint and the rust on the frame. Record button. So there we go. There's the patch all fitting in place. I'm going to weld it underneath right there too, and then wrap it around underneath over to the other side. And there's the big gaping hole there, and I got a patch made for that too. there's the big rot hole that I took out this big pile of crap out of. So all that was sitting in there and just rusting out, and then we noticed it was soggy when we put the jack on that area and it caved in. So now it should be good with stainless steel. So that piece right there and that big chunk right there, welded that in after we cut out some garbage. This garbage here. There's a big chunk of frame right there. Kind of nasty. Another chunk here. This is the curved chunk right here on the corner. I cut that out because it was kind of bulbous. So it was rotten anyway, so I figured, well, I'm just going to cut it out more. So I cut it out more so I could get this elbow to wrap around here. Finally, the frame's repaired and my new stainless steel straps are holding the gas tank back up. So now I can let it down and fire it up and see if it's going to run with its new fuel pump. Okay, here's the rig we pulled the cab with. Now we're unloading it. Perfect. So we had 2 other vehicles on the trailer this morning.